In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change background image. This is a quick and effective way to give your slides a polished, consistent look. Whether you're setting the tone for a presentation or just making a single slide stand out, you can do it in just a few clicks, and I'll walk you through it clearly. Start by going to the slide you want to edit. In the slide thumbnails on the left, click the specific slide so it's highlighted and visible in the main workspace. It's important to select the exact slide you want, because the change you're about to make will apply to that slide only. Take a quick moment to confirm you're on the right one. Now look to the top toolbar and click Background. And this opens a small window dedicated to background settings. You'll see a few simple options here, and the one we want is Choose Image. Go ahead and click Choose Image to bring up your image selection panel. Here you have several ways to add your background. If the image is saved on your computer, choose Upload from Computer and pick the file. For images hosted online, use URL and make sure you paste a direct link to the image itself, not just a web page. If your picture is stored in your drive, select Drive and navigate to the correct folder. And if you don't have an image yet, use Search the Web to find one quickly. When searching, aim for images that match your slide's aspect ratio, typically widescreen, so you avoid stretching or cropping. High-resolution images work best to prevent pixelation, and choosing visuals with good contrast helps your text stay readable. Also, remember to respect usage rights if you're pulling images from the web. Once you've selected your image, you'll see a preview in the background window. Take a second to double-check that it looks aligned and clear. If the image appears too busy, consider picking one with more negative space, or plan your text color to stand out. If the link doesn't load or your file is too large, try a smaller image or a different source. When you're happy with the selection, click Done to apply. Your slide updates immediately with the new background. If it doesn't look quite right, you can simply reopen the background window, choose a different image, and click Done again. That's all there is to it: fast, reliable, and clean. With the right image, your slide will look professional and on brand in just moments.